Have you ever struggled with managing service and maintenance tasks? In today's fast-paced world, having a streamlined process is essential. Books365 Advanced ERP makes this easier than ever. Let's explore how it can transform your service management. First, let's talk about what Books365 Services offers. It provides in-house and customer service support. You can schedule services effortlessly. Create detailed job cards with all service specifics. Assign resources to ensure timely completion and track every service job's status. Next, you can generate parts bill of materials, process material issue, and generate sales invoices for any customer services. It's straightforward and keeps your inventory and finances in check. You also gain access to history and costs analysis for services. This is crucial for understanding your service performance over time. To get started, you must set up your organization and master data. This step is foundational for implementing service processes effectively. Books365 comes with predefined configurations. You can adapt these configurations to match your business needs. Moreover, you can create additional service process documents. This means every business unit can have document types tailored for its specific requirements. This automation enhances control, reporting, and security across your operational units. Reports and analytics are crucial. Books365 Advanced ERP includes Billion Business Intelligence, modern powerful reporting app. Comprehensive Business Intelligence provides predefined statutory and standard service reports. The analytics capabilities cover most industries. With Books365 BBI for service, you receive multiple report templates. You can design new customized templates or modify existing ones easily. Books365 also offers powerful analytics tools, features like dashboards, pivot analytics, and a live report viewer to enhance your data analysis. You can make data-driven decisions quickly. Managing your organization master data for services and maintenance is easy, too. You can create data individually or import it from existing applications. Books365 Data Exchange provides various channels like Excel import, SQL queries, JSON, and APIs. This flexibility saves time and ensures accuracy. In summary, Books365 Advanced ERP simplifies service and maintenance management. It allows for easy scheduling, job tracking, invoicing, and reporting. With tailored configurations and powerful analytics, the system adapts to your unique needs. Don't let service management be a headache. Embrace the benefits of Books365 Advanced ERP now. Contact us today at start@books365.in.